Welcome back to the platform Prince TV. If today is your first time of coming across, all that you have to do is to subscribe. Make sure you put on your notification bell. Anytime we upload a video, you'll be the first person to be notified and then know what this video is all about. Alright, without wasting time, we are still going to give you guys a little bit update based on Ready to the Magenta. I know that everybody is expecting that on the 15th of August, they should be receiving their Ready to the Magenta, but have it in mind that not everybody is going to receive on that particular date of that 15, which IMS have mentioned already, because I just have to give you guys an update now what IMS have a kind of like amended based on the payment of the Ready to the Magenta. So if you are among of those ones who have already applied for the Ready to the Magenta, you have to listen to this article which IMS just tried to emerge, you understand, so that you will know if you are going to be among those people who will receive that Ready to the Magenta on that particular date of 15 or not. So this is what we are going to be discussing on this particular video. But first, like I said before, if you have not subscribed to this platform, all you have to do is to make sure you subscribe and then put on your notification bell. Anytime we upload videos, you'll be the first person to be notified and then know what the video is all about. So without wasting time, let's kick in together and see how it looks. Let's see the articles here. He said, emergency income, payment dates and latest news. Now let's see what IMS are stating. He said, IMS payment emergency income, the dates. Now let's see here. He said, for payment of the IMS service for the month of August, the date referring to the submission of applications must be highlighted. Now, IMS is going to highlight the date which you applied for your emergency income. You don't expect that someone who applied for the Ready to the Magenta from the first day being July, and someone who applied, for example, on the 17th or on the 20th, you don't expect these two persons to receive payment at the same particular date. Now, this is what we are going to be making you guys to understand on this particular video. Now, let's go a little bit forward while we explain later. He said here, for the payment of the IMS service for the month of August, the date referring to the submission of application must be highlighted. Specifically, the disbursement of the emergency income follows the following dates such as, listen, he said, IMS ordered the provision of the temporary subsidy with effect from 16 August. You understand? So now have it in mind that even that 15 of it, if it did not arrive, meaning that the next day being on the 16th, that is when this money is going to be arriving for those ones who have already submitted the application before on the 15th of July. Now listen to it. He said, this is for application received after the date of July 15, 2021. So those of you who have submitted your application after the date of 15 July 2021, you are the people who are going to be receiving this Ready to the Magenta starting from that 15. So what they're trying to explain here is that those ones who have submitted the application before on the 15th of July, they are the people who are going to receive this money by this 15th of August. And then they stated, as you can see on the article, any slight a kind of like shift or delay, it will not fall for them on the 16th of August. So this is what you don't have to understand, that not everybody is going to receive that Ready to the Magenta on that particular date being on the 15th of that August. You understand? Those ones who still apply maybe before on after on the 15th, those ones who applied after on the 15th, their payment will still be on maybe starting from on that of 18, 19, 20 and then so on. You understand? So this is what you guys have to understand, that not everybody have to receive the same time. Let's finish this article before we give the final explanation here. Last paragraph while we give the final explanation. He said, on the merits, it must be said that the date value. This is because the IMS provide for the provision of the temporary benefits taking into consideration the date of the presentation of the application presented by the applicant for joining the contribution. So now, the date which you are kind of like presented your application for the Reddito Emergenza matters a lot. Alright, now let's come to conclusion to this particular video here. So now have it in mind, you know, initial time when I was reporting about Reddito Emergenza to you guys, I was making it clear to you guys that IMS has stated that first come, first serve. Those ones who will be applying first will be the first people who will be receiving the first payment of the Reddito Emergenza. But most people, I don't know if you guys listened to that particular statement when I was stating it. Now, this is what has come to reality already because they made it clear in the first place. So, if you did not receive your Reddito Emergenza starting from that 15 or on the 16, which it might fall to if there should be any delay being on that 15, and then it happens to be you apply on the 15th of that July, that might be the reason why you will not be receiving together with other people who applied first. Meaning, your own might still go from on the 18th, 19th, 20th, all those kind of stuff. So you guys will not be people who will be receiving your money with no specific date. You understand? So that is what people have to understand based on Reddito Emergenza. Because I know starting from 15 on that or 16th of August, many messages will not be coming on my WhatsApp again. People will be asking, hey, you stated that IMS have to be paying for the Reddito Emergenza starting from the 15th and the 16th, but now I have not received my payment. Why? The reason might be that you are not among those people who submitted the application before on this 15th. So if you did not apply before on the 15th, you might not be among those ones who will be receiving on these two specific dates, being on the 15th or on the 16th. So guys, this is what you have to understand about Reddito Emergenza. We are following up. If there is any changes as well, we have to update you guys. That is why I always say subscribe to the platform so that anytime I upload videos, you'll be the first person to be notified and know what this video is all about. And then there are some people who kind of like think that when subscribing to a platform, meaning that you are paying, you are not paying anything. It's just, you know, the person have to post a video, you watch and see what the video is all about. That is why you have to subscribe to this platform and see my updates anytime I upload my videos. So guys, that is just the little update I have for you for now. Have it in mind that if you have already applied for your Reddito Emergenza starting from the 1st of July, you should be expecting your payment as from the 15th, and then if there should be any delay, the payment will land in on the 16th of August. So 15th and then 16th of August, this is when the payment of the Reddito Emergenza will be coming in. Subscribe to this platform. The next time again we'll be together, and make sure you hit the like button. This shows how you react on video. Keep your comments, whatever you think about my videos. Always try to keep your comments. Next time again we'll be together. Ciao.